Just look at these stunning videos. These videos are getting huge amount of views on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Instagram. Creating these kind of images is super duper easy. You just need a master ChatGPT, Flux, and HailuoAI. You know, these tools are absolutely free. You don't need a subscription for these tools because you will get free credits and you can create entire video on free credits. So welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will teach you how to create these type of stunning videos from scratch. You have to come to ChatGPT. Although I have a paid version of ChatGPT, but you don't need it. You can use it in free version too. This is the prompt that I have given to ChatGPT. This prompt is given in the description. Just copy and paste the prompt in the ChatGPT. You will get a captivating digital art of a woman and this handy prompt. But we're going to create animal videos on that. If you want to create this woman, it's up to you. But I will be rather focused to create animals, that is glowing animals, that is getting huge views on the internet. So what will I do? I will ask for the lion, the fox, the deer, and the owl. And here's the ChatGPT has given me the prompt of lion, the fox, the deer, and the owl. Remember that these prompts, the structure of these prompts are based on this prompt that has been given in the description. So it will be good for you if you could copy this prompt from the description. So step 1 is completed. What we'll do in the next step. After that, you will come to the Glyph app. Remember, this is the server tool and it hosts a lot of AI tools in one tool. So if you want to use any tool, you can use it freely over here. Once you will log in with an email, you will get 20 credits per day. And remember, each image consumes 1 credit. So what you have to do, you have to come over a search bar and here you type Flux. Remember, the Flux, this Give app is hosting a lot of model of Flux on this platform. So I would advise that you can use Flux Pro 1.1 because the results, the blowing results on this model are absolutely amazing. But it's up to you. If you want to use Flux, or you can use it. If you want to use Flux Pro Ultra or Animator or any tool you want, you can use it from there. So what you will do, we'll go to the Flux Pro 1. And here the simple UI has been opened and you will, here is the prompt box. You will copy your prompt and paste it over here. Let me copy the prompt of, like, first we'll try the lion, let's try the fox, I probably like the fox mode in the lion. So here is the fox and run this clip. This is a very good prompt platform, and if you are a developer, you can use API keys to create, to generate, to use this platform free. And you can build your own tool here, just like I have my own tool on the base of Flux Channel and Flux State. This is not monetized yet, but once it will be monetized, then you can generate a healthy amount of money from this tool. Just look at this image, how the classic image this is. What you have to do, you just have simply save the image. Let's create another one. Here we just go and copy the prompt of the deer. And then come over here and paste our prompt and run this game. In the meantime, we'll go to HailuoAI. According to me, one of the best image to video and video to video, prompt to video software is HailuoAI nowadays. Remly is quite expensive, but you can get distinct free. You will get, I have purchased unlimited free accounts, but you can use this account free because you will get 100 credits each day. And in 100 credits, you can create 3 videos. So for the month, if you're using this software for the month, you can easily create 3 into 30, 90 videos in a month. And you can go with a pretty much quantity on any social media you want. So we start generating this video and I light the plump, blowing flames and head movement. And I have hit a button, create. Let's go and check what another we have built. Just check out this prompt. Just check out this image. The deer is glowing. What we have to do, we have to save this image. Okay, copy the anchor prompt that we have already done. And then, it'll copy this prompt and we will paste here. Next, around this cliff. Just check out the all, save image as well. So we will come to Hailou and we will insert this deer, the same prompt. We'll keep the same prompt here too, blowing flames and head movement, and we will hit the generate button. Remember that I have unlimited plan, so for me, it will not be difficult to create. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes, but for you, might be to take some time if you are reading the free code. Here's the video is ready, and just check out this video. Just check out this amazing, stunning image that we have created from this. Just look at another one. This is mind-blowing result. You know this is mind-blowing result, okay? So if you like the video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel so that you can never miss any video from me. Thank you.